you enjoy your books with monkeys and your new special friends. This monkey is just for you. Okay. There you go. What's in there? Oh, what is it?
Hi.
Oh, a monkey.
Can I have one of those? Can I have one?
They're elves. And look. Good night, New York City. And
New York City.
ABCs. Oh, how did I drop it? All right. Books for you.
Can I have one of these?
Those are elves.
We can share one of those.
Monkeys. Yeah, she had an S on it.
Can I have one of them?
Maybe Elle will share.
You giving hugs?
Giving the hugs.
Hugs to your monkeys?
Squeezes. Oh, shake it. Good job. Oh, yeah. This one, she's afraid. It's a little fragile, so we might.
Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Double monkey. You're squeeze it. Alright. Say thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you.
Monkeys.
Oh.
Monkeys.
Monkeys. Give him kisses.
Oh.
Good job.
That one.
Okay, all done. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you wave?
Bye-bye. Oh, but I dropped my monkey if that happens.